Hello guys, welcome to CAD Tutorial by Iraqi YouTube channel. In this video I will solve the exercise number 10 using AutoCAD 2D drawing. All dimensions are millimeters. I will first make dia 36 and dia 60. Let's go AutoCAD. First I will make it as circle. Circle dia 36 and another one is circle dia 60. Dia 60. And I will make it as circle center. And circle radius is 64. This distance between two lines is 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. Radius is 64. Then I will make line, select the center point and ortho mode off. Press key tab 60 degree, 60 enter. And I will select line and mirror it. Select the center line, ortho mode on for make it a straight and click yes, no. Okay, and this radius, circle dia radius is 10 mm. This dia is 12 mm. 12 mm 4 number. Circle dia 12 mm. And also mirror it. Left position. Circle radius is 10 mm. This is also mirror. And this circle dia is 12 mm, radius 13, distance between 125. I will make it as offset 125. Click on offset 125, enter, and click on this line. It make it as offset 125. This distance. Extend line up to this line. Circle radius is 13 and circle dia 12 mm. Okay, this radius is 54. Fillet radius 54. Click on this circle and this circle. Again click on this circle and this circle. And this radius is 12 mm. This radius is 12. Radius 12. I will select on 2-point circle. Click on this point to this point. This dia is radius is 12 mm. Okay, and select the circle and mirror it. And drawing is ready. To trim unwanted material, command trim, click, and which one is trimming, click on this line. This also trim and this line also trim. And I will extend the center line to circle end. Okay, this drawing is ready. This drawing is ready. And I will make it as center line and color. Select the line and block line as center line and color as which one you give. And this line I will make it as green. Okay, I will match it. Match property, and which one converted into green color, the line select. And match property, this also center line, this also center line, this also center line, this one also center line. All those are, this line also green color. Which one you take green color? Whatever color you take. And I will make it as dimension. The drawing is fully ready, and make it as dimension. First annotation, go to diameter. This diameter is 60, this diameter is 36, and this diameter is 12 mm. Another one circle I will miss. This circle also 12 mm. make it a circle dia 12 mm, and I will matching the color 12 mm, 4 numbers, this radius is 10 and this radius is 13, and this angle between two dimension is this line to this line 30 degree, this also 30 degree, and this radius is 12 mm. The drawing is fully completed. Please like and share my video. To get more information, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.